Hi, folks. My name is Rachelle Lamb. Some of you know me, and some of you don't. So, hello for the first time to those of you who don't know me. I've been teaching nonviolent communication for the last 20 years, and it should come as no surprise that all of my upcoming trainings have been canceled due to COVID-19. And so I've spent some time thinking about, well, what's the proper thing to do at a time like this? And a big part of me just thinks it's so important is just stop everything and not try to uh, turn our work into a way to just keep the old engine running. So I hesitate to do that. I do see a lot of things are being taken online, and again, I have some resistance with that, but I am going to offer a 3-week training starting on Saturday, April the 18th. It will be 2 hours each day, and each Saturday, that is. And the reason I'm doing this is because, people are now confined to close quarters with each other, and they have to learn how to live together and navigate that terrain of having somebody who's around you and maybe you're annoyed, maybe the dishes aren't being done and you want them to be done. You're trying to figure out who's going to care for the kids, or what are the kids going to do. How do you talk to children about the fact that we can't go out the way we used to? How do you deal with that yourself? I mean, there's a lot of questions. We still have to carry on with the day-to-day of feeding ourselves, feeding each other, and maintaining our homes. So learning how to communicate well, I think, is really crucial in a time like this. So I'm going to be doing these 3 weeks, and then we'll see what comes next, because I've always wanted to be offering also weekly check-ins so that people can bring up the challenges that they're having, that they're trying to apply these new skills and then they run into a glitch. In any event, it will start next Saturday. Please follow the link, and I hope you're doing well wherever you find yourself in this really unprecedented time. So take care.